Hello, it's great to be back with our Hands Up for Trad November special MG Alpa Scots Trad Music Award quiz, featuring some of our nominees from the 2018 awards. The public will be able to vote for their favourite acts and organisations until the 23rd of November at www.scotstradmusicawards.com, so don't miss your chance. Smusha Alana Hikinuj Ice Far to the Conomat Bashaki Gle Hands Up for Trad. On our first of our two teams and Folk Band of the Year nominees, the Paul McKenna Band featuring Paul McKenna, Ewan Baird and Conor Markey. On our second of our teams, we have fellow Folk Band of the Year nominees, Canaris Quintet featuring Jen Butterworth and LB Salted, who has damaged her voice. But she's got her trusty notebook, which will have all the answers. Joining her, and up and coming nominee from Heisk, Sally Simpson, and Gaelic Singer of the Year nominee, Maeve McKinnon. If you would like to find out more about who is all nominated, you can visit www.scotstradmusicawards.com, where you can also buy tickets for an amazing night of music and awards in Perth. Our first question of the quiz. What winter music festival launched its programme last...
Oh, that was totally us.
No.
I think that might have been the boys.
Is it Celtic Connections?
It was Celtic Connections. That is 1 point to the boys. Good start, folks. Which Perthshire musician and instrumentalist of the year nominee recently released a CD called A Glint o' Scottish Fiddle?
Patsy Reid.
That's the right answer. And for a bonus question, who played the piano on that album?
Alasdair Iain.
Well done. 2 points to you guys. Question number 3. Who won the BBC Radio Scotland Young Traditional Musician Award in 2008? Any
How long
ideas?
has it been running for?
Ewan Robertson.
That's the right answer.
Yeah.
Well done. And make sure you look out for Ewan's band Breabach's new album, Frenzy of the Meeting. Which island is loud fiddler Aidan O'Rourke? Oh, girls, definitely you.
Seil.
Yep. Bonus question. Can you tell me which fiddler and flute player Aidan played in a duo with?
In duo with, oh, this is a risk. Mann.
That's the right answer.
Yes. Good work.
Question 5. The MG Alpa Scots Trad Music Awards are in Perth Concert Hall on the 1st of December. When were they last in Perth?
2012.
Close.
2011.
That's the right answer. Good effort. Name the title of Talisk's brand new album.
Oh, I know this is bad.
Oh, I thought we did this one. Any Talisk fans? Oh, Paul.
Beyond.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bonus question. What was the name of their last album?
Abyss.
Yep, that's the right answer. And that is the end of our first round. Well, at the end of our first round, our boys are behind with 2 points, with the girls steaming on ahead with 7. But it could all change with our picture round.
This is true.
On to our second round, where our teams will be shown obscured pictures of some of our musicians and bands in Scotland, and they've to guess who they are. Are you ready, teams? So here is your first picture. You get that one? Who dat?
Ross Miller.
Yep, that is Ross Miller.
Smiling.
On to our second picture. Do you recognise that? Oh, Maeve.
Christine Kidd.
Christine Kidd, that is of course Christine Kidd. Who's that? Connor?
Ewan. Oh, Ewan.
That's Ewan. And on team who this might. Oh, May.
Ailey Cormac.
That is Ailey Cormac, and of course she is the Gaelic Ambassador of the Year, Tosca and Napoleona, and congratulations to you, Ailey. And that is the end of our picture round. After our picture round, our points are at 4 points to our boys over here and 9 points to the girls. We are going to carry on with the music section of our music quiz, where our teams will hear some little sections of music and they've got to tell me the artist and the album. So there are 2 points at stake for each track you hear. Here's our first track.
Chris Reibel, if wishes were horses.
That's the right answer. Good on yous.
I'm trying to remember which album it is. It's Jenna Reid. I think it's with Silver and all.
That's correct. 2 points to you guys.
It's
On
Princess
to our
Peaches.
next piece of music.
Blow the cobwebs away at my head. Hit the light and we're running by them.
Oh, right, okay. Well, in that case, Queen will work.
No.
No. Oh. No. Well, we don't know.
Jamie Sturgeon.
Oh, yeah.
No?
What's the
With
album?
Salt House.
What? Yes.
Salt House.
And what is the album?
Oh.
Do you boys know?
What was that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Undersong.
Yeah, that's right.
Not 3 guesses in a row there.
On to our 4th piece of music. Any ideas, teams?
Okay, I'll take a guess. Hamish Napier, The River.
Well, you've got one part of that.
Really? No.
Are you guys? We have got one team. Any ideas for the name of the album?
Napier, the railway.
Yay! That's the right answer. Well done. And that is the end of our music round. At the end of that round, our points are sitting quite comfortably at the girls with 13 points and the boys lagging behind with 7 points. Anyway, it could all change after this round, on our last round of the quiz, where we are going to have another quick fire round. Are you ready, teams? Fingers on your buzzers or whatever you've got. Which Netflix film about Robert the Bruce?
The Outlaw King.
That is right. That is the film which Jim Sullivan did compose for, which was the rest of the question. On to our second question. Which Gaelic singer recently won the men's gold medal?
Rudy Cormac.
That's the correct answer, Maeve. Rudy Cormac did recently win the gold medal at the Royal National Mod. On to our third question. Which female Glasgow singer, who was first introduced to traditional music by Norman Buchan's Ballads Club?
Gardina McCulloch.
No.
We've got a few more guesses. We keep going, boys.
Okay then. So so that's a point to the girls, I'm afraid, Paul. I will finish the question, which is, which female Glasgow singer, who was first introduced to traditional music by Norman Buchan's Ballads Club in Rutherglen, inspired and taught students at the RSAMD for many years?
Anne Nielsen.
That's the right answer. Munros are mountains above 3,000 feet. What is the name given to smaller mountains over 2,500 feet?
Corbett's.
Yay! What is the name of Louise Hunter's fiddle group?
Southside Fiddlers.
That's
Southside Fiddlers.
That's the right answer. And our last question of the quiz.
The Hump.
What?
You can still win, guys. You can still. Oh, wait.
That's a bump then, isn't it?
You might still look it up.
That's the question.
Our last question of the quiz. What Glasgow songwriter wrote Cod Liver Oil?
Hamish Inman.
Yay! Well done, boys. We usually do this kind of like big reveal where I just tell them. But it seems kind of pointless.
Pardon the pun.
Well, at the end of today's quiz, our girls have managed to break the record of the highest win at our Hands Up for Trad quiz with 18 points against
So musical.
against the guys who have got 9 points at this quiz. Make sure you keep an eye out for the Canaris' new album called The Free One, as well as Maeve McKinnon, who has an album out just now called Stream. Remember to buy your tickets for the MG Alpha Scots Trad Music Awards on the 1st of December in the Perth Concert Hall. It'll be a brilliant night featuring lots of great music and awards. You can get your tickets and you can also vote at www.scotstradmusicawards.com. Thanks for watching and thanks for being good sports teams.